Can you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your project, please?
Good morning. My name is Atif. I am a postdoctoral researcher at Mälardalen University Sweden, which is one of the 29 partners of AMASS project. The idea with the AMASS project is to develop an integrated and holistic approach and supporting tools for assurance and certification of cyber-physical systems.
What are the project's scientific and technical objectives?
The AMASS project is constituted of four main scientific and technical objectives. The first objective is architecture-driven assurance, which provides supports for system component specification in accordance with the domain best practices. The second objective is multi-concern assurance, which is devoted towards the creation of assurance cases, co-assessment, and contract-based assurance. The third objective is seamless interoperability. It is ensured between the tools used for modeling, analysis, and development of cyber-physical systems. The fourth objective is intra and cross-domain reuse, for which the appropriate approaches have been developed.
How do the challenges related to cross and intra-domain reuse, as well as cross-concern reuse, been or otherwise planned to be addressed?
This is specifically related to the work package 6 of AMASS project, in which we have created the approaches for semantic-based mapping of standards, reuse assistance, automatic compliance checking, generation of argumentation for both processes and products, as well as establishment of families or lines for processes, products, and assurance cases. For example, the configurations in the lines would be used for addressing the challenges related to the intra and cross-domain reuse, as well as cross-concern reuse.
Does the project offer solutions for some specific domain, or which domains have been covered by the project?
The AMASS project aims to provide solution to customers from different domains. We have 11 case studies in AMASS that covers automotive, avionics, space, railways, industrial system automation, and air traffic control systems. The tools developed in the AMASS project have been applied to the case studies in these domains, and we have a good coverage of AMASS tools in the mentioned case studies related to the domains.
Which Eclipse projects have been included in the AMASS tool platform?
Actually, there are many tools which have been integrated and extended in the AMASS platform. For example, the Eclipse Process Framework Composer has been integrated. The OpenCert tool is also part of PolarSys platform, but we are also integrating and extending the Chess tool, which is also a PolarSys project. Besides that, several other Eclipse technologies and tools have been used, like EMF, GMF, Papyrus, and so on.
So now, how do you, at what point are you now in your research? How far into your research period are you? Have you completed a year, 2 years, 3 years?
Actually, a AMASS project is going to be ended at March next year, March 2019.
And what's next? Is the code base going to be available as an open source project following that completion?
Yes, actually, at the OpenCert PolarSys website, we have submitted the code, and yes, the AMASS project aims to produce an open source solution.
So the AMASS code, the code that you've produced, is going to be part of the PolarSys OpenCert project.
Well, let me be specific. The AMASS project actually aims to produce 3 tangible outcomes. One is the AMASS reference tool architecture, the AMASS open tool platform, in which the approaches from our previous EU projects as well as the Eclipse projects have been integrated, as well as we are interested in open AMASS community.
What value have you gotten from the Eclipse Foundation?
Actually, it's very interesting to be collaborate with Eclipse. It will be really helpful to attract the community and disseminate the results worldwide. We are hoping that we get many interesting collaborations from the community, not only as tools users but also as contributors.
Great. It was excellent. Thank you for speaking with us today. And I'm looking forward to the results of your research.
Thank you. Looking forward.